Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can delete COD Mobile account. So if you would like to permanently get rid of your Call of Duty Mobile account, you'll need to launch the game itself here, then open settings, go into legal and privacy, then here you'll find the delete account section. So below it, tap at the go button, or on it, tap at the go button. It will bring you to the external Activision support service here. So now tap at the submit a new request button, then read all those stuff before you proceed. Once you do, input your country of residence here. Once you have selected your country, tap at the I have read the above terms and I confirm my eligibility. So check this box here. Then tap at the proceed to privacy and data protection trial here. Then select the delete my personal information button here. Right to erasure. Then confirm that you are not a robot by completing this captcha check. Here, sign into your Activision game account. Then once you have inputted your credentials, complete another captcha check. Oh, holy god, how annoying they are. And they actually went for the most annoying captchas among already annoying captchas, so that's a great length to go. So log into your Activision account, select it here, and then confirm that you would like to delete your account once again, confirm or complete some captchas beforehand. Please let me go already, hello, thank you. And now you can promptly tap at this button here, and your account and all its respective data will be erased. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.